Hello and welcome to Choice of Voice UK. Welcome to the YouTube channel, and we're here to help people either start a side hustle as a voiceover artist or alternatively help you on your journey to becoming a full-time voiceover artist. So wherever you are on that journey, if that sounds like you, then you found the right place. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you maintain your motivation. Now, one of the things you will have probably noticed if you've searched through some of the videos on this channel is that motivation is something that we talk about quite a lot. And the reason for that is, as a voiceover artist, you're very much out there on your own. It's you, it's your voice. If you're just starting off, even when you've gone full time for the first time, you won't hire a team, you won't have any other people working with you. It is you on your own. So therefore, motivation is absolutely essential to keep going in the voiceover business. And believe you me, you get a knock, couple of knocks, you're not quite used to different things coming across, and it can really affect your mindset, which is why we will do quite a few videos on here about motivation. So the question is, how do you keep your motivation going? If this is a question that you're asking yourself now, because actually you're feeling a bit low in the motivation stakes, unfortunately, it's not something that you can go out and do. You can go out and buy and go, right, I've got new motivation, we're off and going. It is very much a mindset thing. So let's break it down. What has actually happened to you to cause your motivation to wobble? Now, is it that you've done a piece of voiceover work, starting as a voiceover, and the feedback wasn't fantastic, but it wasn't really poor? So the question here is, are you in the voiceover game and are you starting to learn your trade? Let's face it, whatever job that you do, you start by learning. You start by knowing nothing and you learn as you go along. Now, one thing as a voiceover that you have got is you've got your voice. But did the client ask for something which you didn't quite deliver on, which has given you a bit of the wobbles? If that's the case, then that's a great learning point for you. Now, the other bit is, have you gone back and rectified it? Have you kept the client happy and kept them involved with what's actually going on? Because that's also a big piece as well. So number one, if you get feedback which isn't 100% positive, not necessarily negative, but not 100% positive, have you taken any learning from that? Now, it's quite easy as well when you get feedback which isn't 100% positive to start thinking about, oh, well, it's the client's fault, they did this, they did that. Forget that. Get rid of all judgment, and what can you learn off the back of it? Because every learning experience helps you build your business. Believe you me, we've all been there. The amount of feedback that I've had during my time as a voiceover as an artist has been absolutely incredible. But have I learned from it? Yes. And has it helped me in my next voiceover that I've delivered? Yes, it has. So actually, if you can improve your voiceover business, the way that you deliver, the way that you actually keep in touch with clients, if you can actually help yourself by delivering and actually building your voiceover business by learning just one thing every single time you deliver a voiceover, wow, what a business you'll have. Actually, you'll have a business which is even better than where pros are at the moment, because a lot of people, when they get to pro, complacency does start to set in because they've been in the game for a long time. They've helped thousands and thousands of clients, and it's very easy to go, I know what they want, this is what they want, and that's what I'm going to deliver, not necessarily listening to the client brief. So get that learning and get that in there. Now, the other bit is, do you have a voiceover buddy? Do you have someone who's a sort of a mentor or someone you can talk to, maybe even away completely from voiceover, for you to start talking through what is going through in your head, to start actually just talking about it? Now, the old phrase, a problem shared is a problem halved, is absolutely spot on, because someone who hasn't even gotten any knowledge of the voiceover business can help you work your way through whatever your issues are. So once again, another great way to get that motivation. And the one thing I would also ask you, why did you get into voiceover in the first place? What was it that drove you to get into the voiceover business? Think about that. Have you got it really, really implanted in your head? Have you got it up on your wall? Have you got it as something that you can refer to and go, that's why I got into voiceover? because that is almost your key anchor to really think, actually, am I really motivated? Yes, I am, because that's what I want to do and that's where I want to go. And sometimes you just need to be able to take that step back, rethink about why you're in this business in the first place to get that motivation level back. Now, funnily enough, in life, it's very, very simple. How you feel and how you actually perform as an individual comes down to one of three things. And I call it the sort of the ask principle. A stands for attitude, S stands for skill, and K stands for knowledge. Now, guess what percentage makes up your attitude? It's 85%. Because if you've got the right attitude, the skills and knowledge, which you'll actually start building up as you're going through as a voiceover artist and start learning, you will pick those up. If you've got that motivation, if you've got that attitude to pick that up right from the start, you've got that 85% there is nothing that you can't do. So next time you have that slight knock, just stop, talk to yourself and actually think, am I over-analyzing this? What can I learn from this? And what can I do to make myself even better the next time I deliver a voiceover project? Great, I hope that's helped. It's something that we all go through. But what's really, really funny is not many people really talk about it. Why? Because actually, do you know what? Am I seen as being a failure? You're not. So actually, we need to have better dialogue and better conversation to get it more out in the open. So if this has been helpful, please do let us know in the comments down below. Also, if there's anything else that you'd like us to cover on this channel, please also put those down in the comments. Also, if you'd like to get in touch with us one-on-one, you can do that by going to our website, which is choiceofvoice.co.uk, and there's a contact us form there. Send me a note and I will get back in touch with you very, very shortly. I hope this video has helped and we'll see you very soon on the next one here on Choice of Voice UK. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.